Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English literature class, and students, today's topic is Unit 9, question answer and make sentence. So let's start our class. Look at the board, students. Unit 9, the chapter's title is the coconut. Question answer. At first we will learn the question answer. Today we will learn 4 question answers. The first question is, what were Anuj and Ravi doing on the steps of their house? Answer. Anuj and Ravi were cleaning some pebbles on the steps of their house. Anuj and Ravi were cleaning some pebbles on the steps of their house. Number 2, the question is, what had fallen from a tree nearby? Answer. A large green coconut had fallen from a tree nearby. Now the third question is, why was the coconut heavy? Answer. The coconut was heavy because it was filled with sweet water inside, because we all know that inside the coconut we can see sweet water. We can find sweet water. And question number 4, where did the boys decide to take the coconut? Answer. The boys decided to take the coconut into their house to grandma. Students, in your book you can see 5 questions are given there, but we will learn only 4 question answers. These 4 question answers from this chapter, from this unit. Now make sentence. Unit 9, the coconut make sentence. Here also we will learn 4 sentences. At first, surprise. The boys were surprised to know that the coconut is a seed, because their grandma told that coconut is a seed. That's why the boys were surprised. Number 2, drink. I drink a glass of milk every day. Number 3, beach. Anuj and Ravi lived in a house near the beach. Number 4, decide. The boys decided to ask their friends about the coconut. Okay, and students, your SW will be, SW number 4 will be make sentence of this unit. That means these 4 sentences, this is your SW, okay, and SW number 4. And students, please try to mention the SW number properly. That's all for today, students. Take care, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.